Hey everybody, welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre, and today we're going to be doing a nice chicken and chorizo kind of paella. We're going to be doing it today on the Discata and 32-inch Discata stand from Carolina Cooker. This gives us a nice good surface to work with. We're going to start off with about a quarter cups worth of olive oil, get this hot. 1 onion, large white diced, tablespoon chopped garlic. So over about a medium heat, you want to caramelize the onions and the garlic. We're going to go ahead and put our chicken in, start skin side down, season the underside of the chicken, a little salt and pepper. So while the chicken's cooking too, we're going to go ahead and add our chorizo in. So next we have about a tablespoon of cumin and a tablespoon of coriander. We're going to kind of season everything. Want to make sure you keep stirring it so you don't burn anything under the chicken. Next we're going to add in about 2½ cups of a long grain rice with a pre-seasoned turmeric in it. And we're going to go ahead and kind of toss this all up. We want it to get some of the flavor from the chorizo and the onions all mixed in with the rice. We're going to go ahead and put in some chicken stock. And so we're borrowing a lid from our 8-gallon stew pot series from Carolina Cooker to help kind of steam everything in. We're going to give this about a good 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken's all the way cooked. We're going to go ahead and put in about 1 bell pepper diced up, dress it off with some fresh green onions, and there you have it. So as always, it's great to take wild game in the outdoors, but it's even better when you can incorporate it into a meal.